The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall! Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skiller. Big up and respect to each and every one. And this video, what I'm doing right about now, is about a thing that I call comply and then complain. You see me? Now, what I'm talking about is that if anyone out there should ever find themselves in a situation where they're being detained or arrested by the police or police officers, it doesn't matter where in the world you are. Is what I'm saying to you? What I'm trying to say is that persons out there should not do anything to make matters worse. Alright? So I'm basically saying that they should do what the police officers or the police ask them to do, and then they can complain to the necessary authorities that might help or assist them in getting the justice they deserve according to what had happened to them while they're being arrested or detained by the police or police officers. Alright? So that's what I mean when I say comply and then complain. I hope you understand what I mean. Is what I'm saying to you. And I know that some persons out there find something like this to be unfair, but I'm only giving you the best advice that I think would be safer for each and everyone out there. You see me? Now with that, I have 3 videos that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. Yes, 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to show you one of the videos right away to make things move along a little faster. Alright? Now the first video that I'm going to show you, viewers and subscribers, this video is basically going to show you of something that you should not do if you're being arrested or detained by the police or police officers. Alright? Now, some of the languages in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Now take a look, listen, and then we'll talk a little bit more about this video after. Alright? Observe.
Batty boy, remember. Me dey write a report. Batty boy, remember.
You are losing record, man.
Yeah, man, record it. Record anything in the record. I suck on the moment I hold on. Feel I'm afraid of no Batty boy. You know, I'm afraid of you. Sorry, my boss. Yo, please. And I laugh. Please. My granny always tell me first laugh is not laugh, Batty boy. Alright, my general, please. I last one. We beg your mercy. Don't beg me, please. We beg your mercy, my boss. Don't do nothing. I want to chuck your head and go catch on the Batty. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. Please, we beg your mercy. No about me. Thinking, mama. No about me, please, my boss. No, you alone know about me, man. Control yourself in a vehicle. Look for me here, me and Maroon. No, you alone know about me. Suck your mama, Batty boy. Feel like you can do when? Tomorrow again? I suck your mama. Me do it last night. I suck your mother. Me do it last night. And your girl and your pitney. No, me never do my pitney yet still, but my mother and my wife, me do it. Anything else? Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me in my face and beat you. Eh? Also, if you beat off the police? Yo, me touching on the Batty boy. If you beat off the police? Me touching on all your Batty boy like your fucking girl. Yo, it's a bit about this dog. You have to shoot the pussy wall. Hey, Batty boy. Anyway, you drunk? You have to drunk? Anyway, yes, can't drink me, I drink all night. No, me believe. Me no feel so you state. Oh, what? You're drunk, man. Me not think I saw you state. Chill blood clot, yeah, boy. You're threatening the police? Me not think I saw him staying drunk. Maybe you see him tomorrow and he'll be different. You're not talking with him. Here. If you're grown, I said so that you're not. Lock me up. Anything on one blood clot. You're not going to station him. I know some state.
You charge this man for assaulting.
Yo, dog, we don't want to work again.
Then you say, boy,
I'm a top criminal. Pussy, you don't look for me every day. When I look for every blood clot there, come here, turn. Yeah, me and me most wanted man them over here. And I want to make me cancer pussy wall. Remember today, I don't want to work again. I may be most wanted man. Here, just suck on the mama. And I want to force me to come back.
Yeah, man.
You can't violate me and live like it. Your Batty boy, I don't forget your face. Pussy, you talk me in your face. Your video when I don't know video. Yeah? Video I don't know video. Yeah, the first I get I go to the station. You can run and dip up Batty boy, DC boy. Where I get 80,000 to pay a pussy one. Eh? You feel like 80,000 of money Batty boy. Or 50,000 for me rent. Pussy go suck your mother. Don't dump me in your face, watch me. Jaw like a stinking 38 way up my waist, Batty boy. You pussy. Make sure that you always have that in your hand. Just suck your mother. You may victimize man sit there, yeah?
Now you see this video the out on social media. Comments have been made about this video, viewers and subscribers, and I'm telling you, some of these comments, you know, like really, some I don't even want to mention some of these comments. That's what I'm saying to you. But however, viewers and subscribers, yeah, but this video is out on social media, you know, and I'm telling you, viewers and subscribers, that this video is out there where, you know, some persons are saying that this person is threatening the police officer or police officers. That's what I'm saying to you. And you know, other comments have been made about this video, viewers and subscribers, alright? And I just present this video to you so that you can have a look at it, and you know, basically it gives you an idea where it says that you know, something that you should not do if you're being arrested by the police or police officers. You see what I'm saying to you? Alright, so I'm going to move on to the next video right about now, and the next video is going to show off you know, it's going to show off a person that is being arrested. You see me? This person actually, you know, this person actually complied, even though this person was kind of, seems like this person was going to resist, but however, this person did go with the police after a little time. Take a look at it and then we'll talk about it a little bit more. Alright? Observe.
What are you locking me up for? Let me know what you're locking me up for.
I've already been told. I'm not
What are you locking me up for? What are you locking me up for, sir? You really want to go to the stupidness? What is the law for not having this in my face? Tell me. You have to be relevant. Tell me.
I finished talking to you.
No, you have to explain to me.
You know differently to that?
Listen.
No, it's over. I'm not talking.
Your approach is very disrespectful.
Hello, I did not.
You know what I'm saying?
And this is no more a conversation. You can do it, I will arrest you. End of story. You're under arrest.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
You're under arrest.
Don't touch me.
For masquerading.
So that don't touch me, boy.
No. You're under arrest. Right now you're resisting arrest.
Don't touch me, boy.
I'm not going to now.
Why you touch me for?
Yeah, are you under arrest?
So I'm not scarf on my face?
Right now?
Listen.
No. You're arrested. You're
Don't
charged for
touch
resisting
me.
arrest as well.
Don't touch me.
You will be charged for resisting
Don't
arrest.
you tear up my clothes.
No,
Don't touch me.
you're not handling all that. You're not doing everything. I'm doing nothing but holding your shirt. It's as simple as that. You have the right to walk with me willingly. Anything you say and do can and will be used against you in a court of law. It's as simple as it is. You walk willingly, or else I can use whatever force is necessary to have you restrained. Now, you mind coming willingly with me? We are going to the station.
What are you doing, man? Let me go now, man. Let me go.
You're resisting arrest.
Let me go.
Remember that. You are resisting arrest.
But let me go, why? Let me go, boss. Let me go. Let me go. Let me go. The man won't arrest me for having that on my face.
You've been arrested already.
Listen, if you tell you you're arrested, then just go on to them. Don't get trouble. Just go on. No, let me go walk. I'll come. Let me go.
You will walk.
Watch me.
Watch me. If you want me, I don't make it.
Hold on. Wait. You call John.
I do not know.
But the man just can't. So one of them explain to me why I arrested if I having that on my face.
Hello, let's go. You don't have time to waste. Let's go.
Yo, Akim.
You're going to Arnott? No.
Akim.
Hold on.
Hello.
Akim.
You're going to Arnott? Yes. Hello. Akim. Let's go. We're getting our idea.
Akim.
Watch me. Complain. Those shoops, complain.
Well, at least this person, you know, take him time and go on. Comply. You see it? And that's the thing, you know, that's the reason why I'm bringing this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, for show you that, you know, even though this person is, you know, is like this person is walking with the police officer and he's being arrested and so on, you see me? It makes things look a little bit easier. And know that it is not going to be easy. I mean, to be put in a jail or so forth and them things that can be good. You know, that can't feel good at all. Is what I'm saying to you. That's just my point of view. But, however, you know, don't make the matters worse for you, right? Let me repeat, don't make matters worse for you. So that's when I say just comply and then complain after. Alright, so with that now we are going to move on to the next video, viewers and subscribers. Now this video is going to show off another example of something you should not do if you're being arrested by the police, or you can say police officers. Alright? Now, some of the scenes in this might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Take a look and observe.
Man, don't be ignorant now.
Hey, just put your hand over.
Go up in the station with the officer. And nobody has to do all. Let's go get something, go beat you up. You have to send you out.
Put your hand, just put your hand. Don't beat you. Just put your hand over.
Jan, let it go.
She go organize it.
You want me to boy?
Let's see how much you're going to run for.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, there you have it, the final video, you know, and I just presented all 3 videos to you. They are out on social media, you see me? Now, viewers and subscribers, there's 3 things I'm going to say that you should not do if you're being arrested by the police. Do not disobey when the police ask you to do something, right? So if the police says stop, freeze, or whatsoever, comply. You understand? Do not try to escape or run away from the police. Basically, it's like you're resisting arrest. Is what I'm saying to you? No, don't do that. It's only going to make matters worse as well. Is what I'm saying to you? And do not threaten or try to be disrespectful to the police or say things that might get you into more trouble than it already is, if so be the case. You understand? Yeah, so basically I'm just trying to give you the best advice. Is what I'm saying to you? Yeah, so if you think that what I'm saying, if I'm wrong, you can let me know if I'm wrong. If I'm right, you can let me know if I'm right. You understand me? And you know, I do understand that, you know, persons out there might find it to be unfair if they're being arrested by the police. You see what I'm saying to you? I mean, I know I wouldn't like it. You see what I'm saying to you? To be arrested or detained for something that I did not do. You see me? Yeah, but however, my best advice is to comply and then complain. You see me? And when I say complain, I mean complain to the necessary authorities that can help you in getting justice towards something that you think is not right that had been done to you while you're being arrested by the police or police officers. Alright? So let me know what you think, your viewers and subscribers. And yes, this one me left it. So until the next time, if you're new to the channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave your comments. Let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.